Let's try to move this one to gate approval up here, like this. So you can now see on the basic info that this is all in gate approval. And just save that. Then imagine you go back into your KPI status, you create a new, and we cheat a bit and say it's now the 8th of August and we need to do a new update. Things are not so good. In this case, we can see the last values we put in on the KPIs. And for the new one, we're going to say cost is good, scope is good, but schedule is bad, and so are resources, but quality is good. So if we save and close this one, we now see the new result like this, where it's red. And that also means that we can see that we have moved, for instance, from one phase to another, or the budget has increased. And on the front page, we can now see that we are in the situation where we need help, and that it has been 0 days before the PM or the project manager updated the project. So a simple way again to show this. Notice also down here that we are automatically showcasing all the milestones from the plan, including the status, both on KPI, if it's delayed or not, when it should be done, and the name for this milestone or task. And this is real time. So if I go to the timeline and I find my milestones, like this one, and I mark it, let's go in here, for instance, as something that is completed. I could do it this way. I could also go in here and write 100%. End of day, we get to the same result. This means that immediately on the front page, if I go back, you will now see that this one has been completed. So pretty good for getting this sometimes large plans surfaced to your eyes when you open up the project to know if there's something you should be looking at.